Hello everybody, welcome back. This is part 3. We're outside today. Isn't that right, Matt? Yeah, we're outside. Yeah, we're outside today. Tord and Ed, what do you think about the outside world? It's beautiful. Oh, it's magnificent. I've never seen anything better in my whole entire life. Good. So yeah, we're outside in this oblivion. Trying to use a better word. The grass is really freaking cold. And it freezes like hell. So yeah, wait, what? It freezes like hell? Never mind. So, you're gonna see me throw Tord at this wonderful tree today. What? Ah! Jesus! Freaking... Oh, my face is dirty. I'm okay, though. I cleaned myself off like this. And now I'm good again. Also, the screen is getting dark for no reason. This is gonna be a while. Yep. These are... Ew, they look poisonous. Don't touch those. Also, oh, I was laying in them! Stupid. Ow. Apparently I'm the punching bag now. Well, I didn't even know that existed. Oh, it does exist, apparently. Well, why don't we start doing something more fun instead of sitting around acting like stupid, lame people? You're a lame person. Well, you're too simple of a person. Oh, wait, what? Teleportation. Ah! Ow! I'm fine. I'm great, definitely. I just landed on my freaking face. Not the face. You're so cringe. You wanna know who's cringe? What? Your face? Dies. This ground is so freaking long. Look at this, guys. I can bury myself in the grass. I'm not even burying myself in the grass. I could just lay in the grass and then cover myself. Okay. Well, I look like a dog when I did that. Okay. So this is Kami. And that's Jehovah's Witness. And that's Kami now. Because nobody likes Kami. I like Kami. Kami's cool. What is Kami? His name? His name is Tord. His name is Tord. Tord. It's Tord. Anyway, I'm gonna go get Tord now. Ow! Shut up, stupid. Who's the smart one here? Me? No, I'm the smart one here. I'm the leader. This is Kai's world we're talking about, not your world, Matt. Or Ed. Oh. Technically, it's called Ed's world no matter what, but like the channel's Kai's world. Cause the YouTuber's called Kai! Anyway, sorry about that, viewers. I was just having a little meltdown there. And you wanna know what your face looks like, Ed? What? Dog poop. What? Your eyes? You wanna know what your eyes look like? What? Yellow snow. My hair looks beautiful, right? Looks ugly. It looks ugly? Yeah, it looks ugly. Wanna know what looks ugly today, Tom? What? Your attitude. Get your hand off my eye. Ah! Your face looks ugly. Hey, it's me, Tom. You wanna know something fun to do with Tord all day? Beat him up and throw him at stuff. Also, you could take Ed and throw him at Tord. And you could take Matt and throw him on the floor. Ow! off the freaking edge of the cliff. Frick. Well, you want to know what's something funny? What? You always face planting. That's funny. I always land on my face. I always land upright. Honestly, your face is upright. And, oops. Tom, what? You want to know something funny? What? Let me just, you want a spa? What? Yeah, you want a spa? No, Kami, no. Well, there's something called leaves. And these leaves look like cucumbers. You want to know what you do with these? What? You shove them in your eye sockets. Look how girly you look, ugly. Shoves in eyes. Ah! Ow! Now I'm gonna go chill in the tree where I belong. I'm up here in the trees. You can't get me. This man is so freaking smart, he thinks. When you could just know when Tord's not looking, you could just knock him out of the tree like this. Ah! Jesus, you're freaking painful. You're freaking painful. Hey guys, should we just end it here already? We've been annoying enough. I don't think the viewers wanted 6 minutes of this. Oh, the viewers are fine. They're probably enjoying this cringe content anyway. Want to play I Spy? What? I Spy? Well, something ugly in this room. Your face? What? What did you say to me? Yeah, I said your face. Your face is uglier than a pit bull on drugs. What the bloody hell was that? Ah! Ow, that actually hit me in real life. Oh god. Oh. I guess that's what I get for throwing them at my face. Okay. Don't mind that. That's just animals. This grass is in the between them. Okay, back to this now. I'm tired. I'm tired as well. Well, you're not the tired one. I could go on a 20-hour walk. Hey, Ed, what? You want to go a walk around the whole entire yard and back? No. Aw, you're boring. Fine, I guess I'm going to go chill in the tree. You coming? Yeah. Hey, Tord, you're an idiot for being up there. You know you're up high, and you know if you fall off, you're going to actually die, right? No, I know. You sure about that? Yeah. Okay. I'm just letting you know. Because you know how dangerous it is to be in a tree? You're in a tree? Yeah, but like, did you know Ed's been all the way up there before? No. I've never seen him up there before. Is it like impossible to be up there? Ah! You're an idiot. You're an idiot. No, you're an idiot. How am I an idiot when you knocked us down? You knocked us down trying to climb up close to me. You're gay. I'm not gay. Ah! me just turn the camera around the Tom. Look at this idiot. He's stupid. He's stupid as hell. You're stupid as hell. Wanna know what? You wanna know what that does? What? It's called I'll drop you in if you don't shut your mouth. Ugh. I'll shut your mouth for you. What do you mean by that? I'm gonna shove a leaf in your mouth. Okay? Or I will choke you with a strand of grass. Okay? So yeah, what do you prefer? Leaf in your mouth or one of these very, 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 very long pieces of grass? Long piece of grass, I guess. You sure? It works like a noose. No, it doesn't. Uh-huh. You want to hang from the tree or you want to hang from just on the floor? What do you mean by tree? You can't hang me on the tree. Oh, I can. I just have to get a few more pieces. Whoa. That is really windy. Okay. Hope we don't lose signal out here. Yeah, what are you talking about? We should do like part 4 should be like us going outside, but at night. No. No. Why not? It could be like a horror. It could be like a horror film. Oh, that might be actually fun for like a live stream in the future. Not right now. Like maybe in a few days or a month or something like that. But you know, it might be funner. Sorry, it's boring. Just looking at Tom's face. Okay. So you're gonna choke me? No, just throw it away. Oh, it landed on Ed. Don't tell him that. Okay, well, now I gotta do my outro. So I'm gonna go do my outro on the tree. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, that is gonna be it for today. So yeah, we'll do part 2, not part 2, part 4 soon. This is part 3 because we've already done part 1 like a year ago. Yeah, that was a while ago. Not that long, but like there was part 2 like last night. Now this is gonna be part 3. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here because I'm gonna go inside because it's gonna storm. So yeah, bye.